Start right here, old fir tree coming down, and then we mill it on the Wood Miser LT15 mill. Stack it out here for about a year to dry. Then we start machining it on the planer. Let's go over there. Pitch of the roof is 6 and 12. So I took the second tangent of 6/12 and got 26.5 degrees. Set that on my miter saw. Cut my boards. We'll cut one board, put it up there and made sure it was going to work. Then came back and then cut all my other boards. I cut this whole side and then I put them all in place. Then I brought them back down. And then cut all the other sides the same. I'm going to stain all these or seal them before I put them up. Then that's what you're going to look like. They're the boards going vertically. So those are timber posts out of the same fir. So tie it all together. All right, I got all the boards up. And then the battens that go in between the boards, only got a couple of them up to try them out. Kind of see them right there. But that's what it's going to look like. I love the Hardie board. It's so good for fire resistance, longevity, hold up forever, holds paint grade, a million reasons for the Hardie board. But a little personal detail like that, a hand milled lumber. I look at that every time I pull over the driveway and think about taking that fuel reduction waste down, milling it, planing it, machining it, and putting it up. There's that gable end. Like the way it looks.